Hello composers, Mike here, and in this video I will give you my top 5 tips on optimizing your project organization for your music compositions. Tip 1. Organize your tracks in folders. As you can see, this is my master project template, so before I even start a composition, I want to have all instruments organized into folders like this, so all the ambience and effect sounds here, all the low percussion here, the high percussion here, the lows like the bass and stuff in here, and so on. This way I get full clarity per instrument where it is inside my composition. Tip 2. Use colors on both tracks and regions. So as you can see, I have color-coded the tracks here, the folders themselves, and every track inside it is the same color as the folder. So all low percussion is this deep blue, all high rhythm is this light green, and so on. And of course you need to choose whatever colors you want, but this is a great way to get all your tracks organized and also your regions. So if I record something like this, or something, well, now that is orange because the track is orange, so if I recorded something different here, that track or region will be color-coded as that track. Tip 3. Write descriptive names on each track. This is something I see many composers neglect. So I have, for example, soundscape, keyscape, creative, ambient, pad, harmonics, whooshes. You instantly know what kind of effect that is. Low percussion, booms. What is that? Well, a deep boom, of course. So make sure that each instrument you add actually has a good description. I often include like low, or for example, solo in the case of solo violin. So I instantly know that it is a solo violin or an ensemble or chamber size or whatever. Tip 4. Add track icons for visual reference. So as you can see, all my folders have this folder icon, and then every track inside it have, so this soundscape, I took this avatar like in nature image, whooshes is like this transition I thought about like this transition, this belt here, and checking out, for example, the lows, you have the low pad, which is a synth, low strings, which are strings, low brass, which is a tuba. So basically make sure that all the track icons really describe what the track as is about at the same time as the label or name for it. And tip 5, remember to add information about your composition. So of course you need to set the time signature and tempo, but in most DAWs you can also write in the key and scale. So let's say your composition is in A minor. Well, select A minor, so instantly when you start working on your composition, you know what key and scale you're in. And you can also do this for the chords in your track. So I have actually used my arrangement track up here so I can write in the chord progression for the track. So when I record a new part, I will see it up here. You can use another track for this and label the sections for to correspond with the chord progression if you want to as well. And finally, in most DAWs you also have some kind of notepad that you can use here on the project level, so you can write in whatever you want to write about the project or the entire composition, as well as on a track per track basis. Would you like to get free sounds and amazing bonuses? Then check out the video description below.